First, we have to remove the cup holder section. With a BimmerTech pry tool, remove the rubber base. After that, remove the 2 Torx 20 screws, one in each cup holder. Finally, remove the cup holder section itself by lifting up with your hands. Next is this side trim, which you remove simply by pulling it away from the car. With that out of the way, remove the 8 Torx 20 screws holding the main plastic trim in place. Once all of the screws are removed, pull from the top left corner away while pushing the trim toward the rear of the car. Once it disconnects, you can pull the trim piece away. Now we have to remove the HVAC controls. Remove the 2 Torx 20 screws. One is here to the left of the controls, and one is behind the glove box. To access that one, open the glove box, remove the plastic cover for the screw, and remove the screw. You may need some assistance with getting the screw out once it's loose. To remove the HVAC section, there is a main tab on the bottom left that needs to be popped free. Use a little bit of force to get it free, but be careful. Once the main tab has been disconnected, the smaller tabs and guides will easily detach. Once free, disconnect the single connector by pulling the clip away from the controls and then pulling the connector out. Now we have to remove the middle dash trim. Start by using a pry tool to help remove the side panel cover. Once the panel is out of the way, remove the 1 Torx 20 screw holding the trim in place. The rest of the trim is disconnected by pulling firmly. A BimmerTech trim tool might help, and we suggest starting from the start button side. Once the trim is free, remove the start button by pinching and pulling, and the radio control harness by pulling the connector.